Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to crochet the double treble crochet stitch. It's a super tall stitch, perfect for open lacy patterns or adding height quickly to your work. So first make a slip knot and then chain any number you want to practice with. I will make 12 chains as usual. This is going to be the foundation base or the size of your project. A double treble crochet stitch is approximately the same height as 4 chains. So to start every new row of double treble crochet stitch, we need to chain 4 as the turning chain. So yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now insert your hook into a chain of your foundation chain, which is the 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through the chain. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You now have 4. Yarn over and pull through 2, down to 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Now 2 loops. And one last yarn over and pull through the final 2. That's a double treble crochet stitch. Repeat the process across the row. Yarn over 3 times. Insert into the next stitch and pull through the 2 loops at a time. 4 times in total. That's the first row of double treble crochet stitches. You can see how tall and open that stitch is. It is great for shawls, mesh designs, or dramatic textures. To start every new row, simply chain 4 and turn your work. Then repeat the process of making a double treble crochet stitch, starting with yarn over 3 times, and you know the rest. Make sure to recheck the number of stitches from time to time, not to miss out any stitches. And that's how to crochet a double treble crochet stitch. I hope you enjoy this video tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and let me know in the comments what stitch you want to learn next. Happy crocheting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!